student. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and safe in your home. Okay children, today we will discuss about networking. Do you know children what is networking? What is the use of networking? In our daily life, we come across many different types of networking we are using, like a network of telephone, a network of train, a network of bank ATMs, a network of road. Like this, in our daily life, we are crossing many different types of networking. Today, we will discuss about networking, what is the use of networking, and what are the advantages of networking, disadvantages of networking, what are the components of networking. Today, we will discuss these topics. Now, first of all, what is networking? Networking is a group of computers that use a set of common communication protocol over digital interconnection for sharing purpose information. What is the use of networking? To communicate each person and sharing the information. For example, they are sharing with hardware also and as well as software resources also. For example, hardware resources like a printer, monitor, CD-ROM, modem, like this we are using to connect the networking. Okay, like this we are using to in our daily life to connect the networking process. And first of all, advantages of network. What is the advantages of network? Help with communication. Help with communication means like conferencing, video calls, messages to each person. Like this we are using to these networks. And next one, sufficiency enable storages. It can store devices of central. It can use it to everyone. And next one, data backup easily, and we can store the files of audios and videos, etc., pictures. We are also storing these images in this network. These are the few advantages of networking. And disadvantages of networking means mainly we have to say, first one, hacking. This is the most dangerous of disadvantages in hacking. And next one, malwares and security issues. These are the disadvantages we are getting in this networking. Okay, these are the advantages and these are the disadvantages of networking. Okay children, we are using networking in our daily life, like to communicate each person. Here somebody is there and another person, another place have. Like this we have to communicate each person. So they need what? Communication to networking. So first of all, components of networking. Do you know children what is the use of components of networking? When some peoples or devices communicate to each other, they need some medium of communication or devices to communicating each other. So let us know how to use networking with the components of network. First one, in this components of network, so many types are there. For example, look at this picture all of you, components of network. In this component of network, an IC, hub, switch, cable, servers, modem, router, these are the few components of network we are using to communicate each person. Okay, first one, what is NIC? Look at that picture all of you. What is NIC? It can transmit the signal. It is a physical layer of computer to internal is there. This is a physical layer. It looks like a RAM chip. Look at all of you this one. It looks like a RAM card. Okay, this is the transmit signal to connect the network we are using to communicate each other. And next one is hub. What is the use of hub? It is also a physical layer of network. It is used to connect the multiple device on a computer. It is also a physical layer, but it is connected to a multiple user on a computer. This is a hub, one type of component network. And next one is switch. Look at this picture, all of you. Switch. Switch also one type of networking component. Okay. And what is the use of switch? Means it can transmit data only for the computer needed for these peoples. Like it can store the flow of data, and based on the addresses all devices of the computer, it is used this switch option. For example, best example, in your home, you have to on the fan, means you have to, what we have to on first of all? Switch. Like this only, this switch components of network also using to connect the network. And next one, cable. Cable. What is the use of cable? For example, in your home, so many cables are there, like TV cables or fan cables or small cables are there in your home, no? Like this, we are using cables to connect the network also. But the cable has a 4 pair of wires inside the jacket. What is jacket means? It's look like a outside of the cable. This is a rectangular box, that is a jacket we have to call in this cable. In this inside the jacket, 4 pairs of wires. How many? 4 pairs of wires are connected to internet to communicate the each person. Like this, we have to use cable connection to connect the network also. This is the one component of cable. And next one is connector. What is connector? Look at this picture. Connector is a depending upon the cables. Why it is depending upon the cables? Cables and connectors are nearly same is there. So that way we have to use the cables and connector. This is the most commonly used RJ. RJ means what? Registered jacket 45 cable we are using to connect the network. It is also give the information to each other and transfer the information to each other. This is the RJ connector 45. We are mainly using this connector only to connect the network. And next component is a modem. What is the use of modem? Look at this picture, all of you. Okay, next component is modem. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. What is the use of this modem? Look at this picture, all of you. So many members are thinking modem is to connect the network. Is it right? But we are using modem. It looks like a one type of box. Like for example, in your home, boxes are there to connecting the TVs, like MCPL boxes, HD boxes we are using now. Like this only, in this modem, one big box are there. It's enable you to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the exiting of telephone lines. It has a transmit to the signals to connect the networking. Okay children, this is the modem we are using to connect the network. Next one is router. Look at this picture. What is the use of router? What is the difference between modem and router? Modem is a big box like to connect the transmits of telephone line signals. But router is not like that. It's similarly some features have there. But router and modem is a different. See, what is the use of router? Look at this picture, all of you. It is a device used to connect the two networks, which when we have two dignitaries of networks, you can share a signal internet connection with multiple computers. So this is we have to call router. In this router, two types of routers are there. One is wireless and one is wired. Means wireless means what? We have to connect with the wire of router. Wireless means what? Wireless means what? There is no wire, but we have to connect network on this system. Okay. See all of you. These are the components of network. These are the few components of network we are using in our daily life to connect the network. Okay children? Okay children, these are the components of network to connect the networking to each person, to communicate the person and sharing the information. These are the few components of network. Okay children, are you understand these components of network? Okay children, next class we will discuss about types of network. On the types of network, LAN, WAN and so many types of networks are there. We will discuss next class. Okay children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.